If you are graphics designer, video editor or SEO expert, then this video will help you a lot, because in this video I will show you that how you will get some client from Fiverr basically, and I will show you some secret and legit way to find some clients. So this video will blow your mind. So hey, once again, this is Khalid, and in this video I will show you everything that you need to find a great client. So this is my website. I'm founder and CEO of Fame Media, and if you want to start faceless channel or like this, you can just contact with me and you can book a call, free call basically this is, and we can talk together. So let's get started. So now we are going to Fiverr, and if you have any Fiverr account then you can just log in, and if you don't have then you can just create. This is my Fiverr account. I'm just reloading this page, and if you type here the thumbnail design, then just type thumbnail design and search it, and obviously you need to go on buyer mode, right? So simply scroll down here and you see that there are 12,000 plus results. So this is all thumbnail design. So don't worry and don't skip this video, because the secret is coming up. Please watch this full video and sit down with a pen and paper. You need to note something and you will just apply these things to your skill. So this is very good. If I just go any thumbnail design, basically you need to see just how many reviews he have. This is 1k plus, this is 1k plus, and if I scroll down this is 1k plus. So I'm just taking any thumbnail, so don't skip this video because the secret is coming up. So this is very and very effective way, because you will get some targeted clients that are working with their channel and they're investing some money to create their thumbnails and like this. So this is very important. This is very targeted client, so do not miss this video. So you need to scroll down, you need to scroll down. So this is the client and this is their reviews. So you need to just see the thumbnail design they are submitted as a review. So this is one. This client just rate him 1 star in this thumbnail. So if you reach him and tell them that you can make a great thumbnail than it, and you can just edit video for him and you can just SEO for him, and it will rank very high and he will get some extra audience, then obviously he will just work with you. So this is great. So I will not taking this because he just sent 1 star, and this is not good. This is also 1 star. So no problem, I'm just canceling this and I'm taking this seller. Okay, so you just take any client that he review 5 star 4 star like this, because if he give 4 star 5 star review then he will use this thumbnail on his channel. You will definitely find this thumbnails YouTube channel. So we can take this, right? So this image we need to just open a different page. This is also basically, this is very secret. I don't know how many YouTuber shared this method with you, but this is very important and very secret way. So if I go and just search with Google image, you will see this is the YouTube channel. See, so if I tap on this you will see. So we easily find this client YouTube channel. Now we can easily reach him.
What up, y'all? We are now coming live.
So this is basically a blogging channel, we apply this unique way and we just find this YouTube channel. So our work is almost done, and how we will connect with him, right? So now we will find many social media accounts. So simply if we go his Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, we can just drop a message, right? And if we impress him, then we will get some good project from him. So if we just go his channel and see more, we'll see that yeah, this is his mail. So this is unique way, right? And you just find his mail, and now you will just send him a mail that you are a great thumbnail designer and you are a great video editor, you are a great SEO expert, and reach him out. And if you send a great message, then he will definitely reply you, and you can just go for a video call and just start project with him. So this is very secret, and I think from this way, if you find like 50 email per day, like this way, you will get 2 or 3 client definitely. So work at least 1 month on this way. This targeted client you will finding from Fiverr. So this is very secret, and it will affect on your client hunting. So thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe and like definitely, and comment me that how many client hunting video you need, and tell me everything that you need. So thank you once again, and see you soon.